right, Dad Random here. Got another drone for you today. This drone here is actually a drone that has just come out, and a lot of claims for it are that it is going to be a replacement for the Mini 4K. And this is the DJI Lito. Now, when it first was basically coming out, many people kept calling it the Lito, and but Lito stands for sub 250, and that's kind of why they branded it that way. And this is nowhere near what the Mini 4K is. This thing is definitely a totally different bird. The Lito is definitely been engineered to be minimalist cross-section. So, of course, when you turn it on, it just automatically launches the software. The gimbal is definitely one of my, here we go. So that's the one thing is make sure you turn your gimbal, take your gimbal guard off. But yeah, so it auto launches right on startup. And this one is going to give you a couple extras of layers of security. One is basically a top and a bottom facing obstacle sensing camera. So there's one on each side, and then you've got your bottom measuring camera. And then this one, the X1 has forward facing LiDAR. So you've got these two front sensors which give you that little bit, that better sensing from the front to navigate tight quarters. I guess if you're going to launch out of say an overhead structure, these cameras here are going to help with that return to home. But yeah, the Lito. So the correct pronunciation is Lito. This Lito is going to come with the battery system that is going to keep it light. So this is not going to be the extended range battery, which are I think 3,800 milliamp hours. Let me just get a good look at these here. Hold on. So these are labeled as, oh boy, everything is so tiny. But this is a Lion pack and 2788. So you're probably not going to be able to see that, but 2788. So it's about 100 milliamp hours less, or excuse me, 1,000 milliamp hours less. So this is going to give you, a 20-ish flight time. But this battery is very light. So the battery technology is really getting better just because of the nature of the ultralight nature of the battery. So this is an ultralight battery, which makes it even that much better. So everything about the that everybody was talking about with the Mini 4K, that this thing is just another class by itself. So until we get to fly it, until I get it in and around obstacles, well, we really know. The camera looks really good. It looks like it's got a really nice lens. I look at the glass as well. If you look into a lens, you can always tell if it's cheap or not. It looks like there are some mounting. Areas there, so this could be mounted with an ND filter. So I can see it in there. I don't have ND filters for it, but I can imagine they'll be out soon. But yeah, you're going to want to have ND filters for the Lito. We have our card slot and our USB-C charging port on the back. Now these batteries, I've learned charge pretty quickly. So picking this up, updating the firmware took a while, but it probably took a half hour to update the firmware. It took quite a long time. But this thing is going to auto launch, and the firmware is going to take a little bit of time to put in. But camera-wise, this is supposed to be is close to a 1/1.3 inch camera. So this is going to be in that upper end class of camera. And you just feel the quality of it. Everything DJI is always better. The lens quality is not plastic. You can tell they use a glass lens. It just looks really, really nice. And everything about this is energy savings, weight savings, including the battery. All right, so you get the Lito in the case. And of course you get this really nifty, very difficult to put on. I'm gonna probably learn how to get that on. It's got these extra clips on the side, I think, that are catching. And this is the smallest of the bags. So when you get the DJI bag, this one is a small one. So even when you pick out the batteries, even the battery pack feels light. So everything about this screams light, ultralight, ultralight. And this is plenty of batteries, that's for sure. So this is the Fly More battery kit. Inside of here, I haven't even looked in here. You got props. Trying to see if there's anything else in there of notes, stickers. I don't think I'm wondering if did I even get a cable with this thing? I don't think this even comes with a cable. I just got a ton of props. Yeah, we got the all-important screwdriver. Tons of extra props, which is good. I mean, that's definitely something that we're all going to need or use. But I don't know if this came with the cable. I just can't remember. When I unbox stuff, I don't remember. Usually they come with some kind of cable. I'm sure it did, but I can't tell you for sure. I'd have to look at the image. Now I did get the RC2 version. I always opt to the RC2. It's just so yeah, there we go. This requires you to put in a high capacity card, so make sure you get a good card for it. A class 3 card, high capacity. The cost of cards is going up. You do have internal storage though. You can get by without putting a card in. I always like to do that just for easy transfer. This does have the fast transfer system. And I did order, and it does have the antennas. You've got linear antennas and you have patch antennas built in. You can see it says right there. So, and then I've got the sunshade that's coming, and there's your heat sinks, your customization button. And the other thing I like is you have both the tilt and the zoom right on your controller, so you can keep your hands on it. You don't have to move it around. You don't have to do multiple functions. There's just a huge advantage to having this kit, but it's a great little kit. So this is the Lito, and this one did come from South Korea. And I probably paid way too much for it, that's for sure, but you're gonna get a real good review based upon my experience with the Lito. All right. Supposedly a replacement for the DJI 4K. I really think it actually is a competitor, or it's really replacing another drone that you might know. Some of you guys might be familiar with this little bird right here. This is also the X1. So we've got X1 versus X1. So we've got two concepts by the same company. This one, of course, has multiple sensors. So we got 4 on the top, 2 facing and then 2 facing down. So this thing has 6 sensors. But I think the Lito has a better camera. So we're gonna be looking at this. So if you look at the Skyrover X1 and you look down in the camera, it actually looks pretty much the same. Good glass. You've got inward mounting ND slots in there. If you look inside there's a little tiny slot. So right, so we're actually going to put the X1 versus the X1. I think a lot of people are interested in the battle of the X1. So I don't know, what do you think is better? Which X1 is going to win? All right, both of them are cool, aren't they? All right, later, dead random. for the unboxing of the DJI Lito. This is definitely the Lito show. And I'm excited to fly this bird. All right, later. Bye. Dead Random DJI Lito unboxing. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you have not.